Hi everybody. So Scott and I are here at the KF Aerospace Center because we got a little bit of an event tonight where we've got, just an outdoor kitchen. Oh, hey Lindsay. Lindsay's here too. And we've got Ashley upstairs, we've got Ocean upstairs helping set up, Shannon's here, Sage is here, full on kitchen and elite chef events doing an event upstairs over there at the KF Aerospace Center tonight. It's gonna be incredible. 80 people, buffet, cocktail reception preceding that, and then a late night snack being the pizzas. Oh boy.